crispy, crunchy chicken wings tossed in a sticky chili ginger sauce, and we're gonna oven bake these babies. Okay, so I love fried chicken just as much as the next person, but sometimes it's good to have like a healthier option. And I'm gonna show you how we can get that crispy crunch in the oven. Just a few little tips and tricks to make that happen. So I've got my chicken wings, first of all, and I'm going for drumettes today because I love drumettes. They're just the perfect little handle of chicken to bite into. And I'm gonna add a little bit, and this is one of the key secret ingredients, guys, and that is baking powder. Now, without getting all like food science nerdy on you guys, the baking powder will reduce the pH of the chicken skin. That will let the chicken skin get more crispy and more brown in the oven. So that's the first key ingredient. Second is we want a really good dash of salt, not only for flavor, but to help draw moisture out as well. And that's it, it's as simple as that. Give that a toss through. And now we are cheating nature here a little bit by oven baking instead of frying. It is going to take a little bit longer, but you will get some really good results. So first up, the way we need to get these lined up is just onto a baking tray that has a baking rack or a cake rack set into it so that the chicken sort of gets enough air and heat all around it. And just spread those out, give them a little bit of space. And the first part of the cooking is all about rendering out as much fat and moisture from the chicken wings as possible. So we're going to go a low oven temperature for about 30 minutes and then we'll see what we've got. Okay, so at this point we're not quite ready to party just yet. What I want to do here is gently lift these off. They can stick a little bit, so just be gentle and turn these over. And I can already see that that skin is starting to get nice and dry on the outside. That's exactly what we want. Okay, now back in the oven for about 30 or 40 minutes or until they're really super golden and crunchy. Okay, now this is what I'm talking about, guys. Look at that color. Look at how crunchy these little guys are, and all done without the oil and without the mess. Now what I like to do first is just sort of give them a bit of a shake and lift them off. Again, be gentle, you don't want to lose any of that crunchy skin. Now there are loads of ways you could deal with this crunchy chicken wing situation. You could serve them as they are, just a dipping sauce on the side, or you could make them all sticky and glistening and glossy. So I'm going to go with that option today, and I'm using my sticky chili and ginger marinade. We're going to use it like a sauce. I love this one because it tastes homemade. You cannot even tell. It's all natural. All I need to do is open the bottle. Easy. Okay, now turn my wok on, or just any kind of large frying pan, and throw these wings straight in there. Ah, listen to that crispy, crunchy sound. And now for the sauce. After that sizzle, the sound of happiness. All you need to do is just keep tossing these around until they're all coated and the sauce is nice and sticky and glossy. Yes, now we're talking. Okay, just pile these up in a bowl. And then a couple of optional extras here. So I'm gonna go with a little bit of a hot chili dipping sauce because I just like things spicy. So I'm using my coconut sriracha for that. And then a little sprinkling of sesame seeds and some spring onion as well. And there we go, crunchy, sticky, hot wings, all without the guilt, without the fuss. So it'd be criminal not to taste these and make sure they're good before I serve them to anyone. We're totally winning here, guys. I hope we don't need this for photography. I think I might just have the whole bowl.